Hi, welcome back. Hope you have your easel set up and you're ready to paint along with me today.
We're back from the break. Welcome to Metals 1 Continued. We'll be showing you how to make these bends on the finger brake, talking about assembly, and showing you pop and solid rivets, handset rivets. We'll be making octahedra and an icosahedra. I don't know how to say it. The 20-sided one. Why do you do this to me?
What I would call like reprises.
This is the finger brake. Obviously, no wire. It really causes great damage to the fingers. So these are the fingers. They can be additive or subtractive depending on the width that you're trying to bend. So that's good pressure over there. Check it down here. Good. So now we're ready to bend. So we line up a line to the front edge of the finger. Right? And here, we don't quite know how far we need to bend. So we're gonna set a stop with this pin right here. And we're just gonna make sure it's held square into the back. But it's pretty close. It's gonna take some more finesse. These are clecos. They allow you to assemble a structure temporarily. Before you then add your rivets, so you can kind of see and just clamp things in place. So that looks pretty good. Let's rivet. That goes through the hole. That's it, it's connected. So this is a pop rivet. This is called a flush on both side rivet. What happens is that, oh, I'm not strong enough. But this stem gets pulled through this metal and flares out the backside. And that's what allows it to be held captive in the hole. So this tool is what we use to grab and pull that stem through the metal. So I'm gonna take out a cleco. You can put this through, and you can see, as I squeeze, see it flaring? There we go, we got a nice rivet. Looks pretty good. It's also important to keep the metal held tight together because sometimes the metal can actually flare when you're putting rivets in between, and that can be problematic because then you won't get a tight clinch.
Yeah, that looks really cool, huh?
That's pretty close.
Yeah.
Don't let your sons grow up to be cowboys. I think that's the move today. I think that should be the title for this episode. Had to hand set some rivets with some solid rivets versus the pop rivets we'd been using. And sometimes it's just the way the cookie crumbles. So some of these holes needed some tweaking, some fitting, some tenderness, some tweaking, some finesse. So we've been just going through and trying to get things to align and work and hold, and we did a pretty good job. It's not effective at all.
It's very cool, huh? So cool.
A little extra for the diehards. This is 4-sided tetrahedron.
Focusing on react like as if they were in front of them.
universe. It's big, but small.